Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make a clipper cocktail. Speaking of the grenadine, I'm going to start with the grenadine. I do make my own grenadine at home. The recipe is here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of homemade grenadine, which is 5 milliliters. And I'm going to put that right in the glass, the mixing glass, so that the other ingredients can dissolve out some of that grenadine because it's thick stuff. Next, the vermouth, 1.5 ounces, which is 45 milliliters of dry vermouth. And the rum, 1.5 ounces of the white rum. 1.5 ounces is 45 milliliters. Add your ice. Take your teaspoon out and give it a stir. Official glass for this drink is a cocktail or martini style glass. If you don't have one, feel free to use a coupe or something like that. Strain your drink into there. Garnish is a lemon twist. Wish me luck. Oh, that went well. I'll put this over here. Express, wipe, and drop. And there you have it. Clipper cocktail. Drink with good spirits.